Hello everyone, this is Tony from Transition Nation, and in this tutorial we're going to walk you through the installation of the 550 LUTs. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to unzip the file. Let's go ahead and open the LUTs folder, and this is where all the cube files are contained. We're going to be following the instruction from Adobe of where we need to install the LUTs library. If you're using a Mac, you'll follow the column under the Mac OS, and if you're using Windows, you'll be following the Windows column. For Mac, I'll be using the available to all users. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on my hard drive, start off at Library, Application Support, next Adobe, the Common. Once you're in the Common folder, you may not see the LUTs folder, so we're going to go ahead and create that. Make sure that you have the appropriate user level to make changes. Make sure you use a capital L, U, T, and a lowercase s. We're going to double click the LUTs folder, and we're going to create the creative folder, which is where we're going to install or drag our LUTs into. We'll double click and close this out, and this is where we're going to drag our folder. Make sure you had the Premiere Pro closed, or if you haven't closed it, go ahead and close it now and reopen it. Once our project file is open and we have a sample footage to work on, we're going to go over to the color panel. You can either click on the tab on top here or go over to Window and make sure that the Illumetry color is selected. Once we're at the Illumetry color panel, we're going to navigate over to Creative. And under Creative, we're going to see Look. And within the drop-down menu of Look is where all the LUTs that we just installed will be located. Now let's go ahead and choose one. Once one is chosen, you can intensify the effect by using this slider. Once you like what you have, you can go ahead and make minor adjustments on the other options. And if you don't like this particular look, you can always go back and change it. And do the same thing. Start adjusting to your preference. Go ahead and get creative. There's lots of options for you. If you have any questions, please email us at info@transitionnation.com. Thank you very much.